Today we explore the top 5 spy planes of the USA in 2024, where cutting-edge technology meets strategic surveillance. These incredible planes are not just watching the skies, they're shaping the future of military intelligence. Number 1. The RQ4 Global Hawk. The RQ4 Global Hawk is an advanced unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, used for high-altitude surveillance. It can fly for over 30 hours straight and reach heights of up to 60,000 feet. Global Hawk's mission is to provide a broad spectrum of ISR collection capability to support joint combatant forces in worldwide peacetime, contingency, and wartime operations. This drone is like a flying eye in the sky, capable of watching large areas for a long time without needing to land. Its powerful sensors can capture very detailed images, listen to communications, and track movements from far away. The Global Hawk helps the U.S. military gather important information about what's happening on the ground, especially in places where sending a manned aircraft might be too dangerous. Number 2. U-2 Dragon Lady. One of the United States' most secret aerial reconnaissance platforms for more than half a century, the storied U-2 Dragon Lady still flies some of the U.S. military's most sensitive spy missions worldwide. The U-2 Dragon Lady is a manned aircraft that has been flying for decades, but it's still one of the best spy planes around. It can soar up to 70,000 feet, way higher than commercial airplanes, and capture incredibly detailed images and other data. The U-2 is often used when the military needs very precise information about a specific target. Even though it was built in the 1950s, it has been continuously updated with new technology, making it just as effective today as it was back then. Number 3. RC-135 VWRivet Joint. The RC-135 VWRivet Joint is a specialized aircraft designed to listen in on enemy communications and radar signals. It flies at regular altitudes, like other planes, but it's packed with sophisticated equipment that can pick up and analyze electronic signals from the ground. This plane is crucial for understanding what the enemy is doing, as it can detect and track their communications and radar activity. The Rivet Joint provides real-time intelligence, meaning the information it gathers is immediately available to commanders who need to make quick decisions. Number 4. MQ9 Reaper. The MQ9 Reaper is a highly versatile unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, that excels in both surveillance and strike roles, making it one of the most valuable assets in modern military operations. Unlike the Global Hawk, which is solely focused on intelligence gathering, the Reaper is armed with precision-guided munitions like Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs, allowing it to engage targets directly. However, what truly sets the Reaper apart is its endurance and surveillance capabilities. It can stay aloft for up to 27 hours, providing continuous real-time video, radar data, and other vital intelligence over vast areas. It's particularly useful for missions that require constant surveillance, like monitoring a battlefield or tracking down terrorist targets. Number 5. EP3E Aries 2. The EP3E Aries II is a crucial asset in the U.S. Navy's arsenal, dedicated to signals intelligence, SIGINT, which involves intercepting, collecting, and analyzing electronic signals from enemy forces. Built on the reliable P-3 Orion Maritime Patrol aircraft platform, the EP3E is equipped with a sophisticated array of sensors and antennas designed to detect and monitor communications, radar signals, and other electronic emissions across vast distances. Its ability to operate over both land and sea, combined with its long endurance, allows it to provide continuous intelligence gathering during extended missions. The EP3E plays a key role in tracking the movements of adversary ships, submarines, and aircraft, as well as monitoring their communication networks. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.